Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to make non-destructive composites in Photoshop. Start by importing all elements as separate layers and immediately convert them into smart objects when needed. Use layer masks instead of erasing pixels, so changes remain editable. Activate Mask Overlay to refine masks without damaging original images. Keep adjustments like curves, levels, and color balance on separate adjustment layers clipped to each element. This allows you to match lighting and color while staying flexible. Organize your layers clearly and name them properly to avoid confusion later. When blending elements, use soft brushes and gradual transitions rather than harsh edges.